So I'm trying to, well, I ain't trying, I am. I'm doing a quick wave. It's my first time, so I did 3 layers of this protective shield. And then I sprayed Got To Be. And then also I sprayed this foam at home. Foam hold mousse spray. Anyways, I did it, so it feels hard. And it's real tight on my head, so whew, please. First I'm gonna cut around these ears because it's cut my circulation. And I'm reusing some bundles that I had a long time ago for a sew-in. And I was gonna use it for something else, but I was gonna make me a wig, but I was like, man, I'm taking too long trying to get all that. Well, give me my glasses. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I don't know how to cornrow, so I had to do some flat twists and make it work like that. But I do want to say, okay, alrighty. So now I'm pressing to start gluing. I'm gonna leave this part until I get like somewhere close to here. This is my first time, so I just want to get on here and say that I did my first quick wave, which it was a rough process, but I did it. So I'm gonna cut this out and do what I need to do.